Surprising, meaning causing surprise or wonder unexpected. Synonyms: astonishing, unexpected, startling. Sentence: it was surprising to see snow in April. Tribute, meaning an act, statement, or gift intended to show gratitude, respect, or admiration. Synonyms: homage, honor, salute. Sentence: the mayor paid tribute to the firefighters for their bravery. Honest, meaning free of deceit, truthful, and sincere. Synonyms: truthful, sincere, straightforward. Sentence: she gave an honest account of the events. Effort, meaning a vigorous or determined attempt. Synonyms: attempt, endeavor, exertion. Sentence: his effort to learn a new language was commendable. Perfectly, meaning in a manner or way that could not be better completely. Synonyms: flawlessly, impeccably, ideally. Sentence: she executed the dance routine perfectly. Comedy, meaning a genre of film, play, or broadcast program intended to make an audience laugh. Synonyms: humor, farce, satire. Sentence: we watched a hilarious comedy last night. Used, meaning having already been used, not new. Synonyms: second-hand, pre-owned, worn. Sentence: he bought a used car to save money. Dump, meaning to dispose of waste in a careless or hurried way. Synonyms: discard, dispose, throw away. Sentence: they decided to dump the old furniture in the garage. Likewise, meaning in the same way also. 2.75. Synonyms: similarly, also, in addition. Sentence: she waved goodbye, and he likewise said farewell. Subscriber, meaning a person who receives a publication or service regularly by paying in advance. Synonyms: follower, member, supporter. Sentence: the magazine has over 1 million subscribers. Flu, meaning influenza, a common viral infection that can be deadly, especially in high-risk groups. Synonyms: influenza, grip, viral infection. Sentence: He missed a week of work due to the flu. Collect, meaning to gather together, assemble. Synonyms: gather, accumulate, amass. Sentence: she loves to collect vintage postcards. Pointed, meaning having a sharpened or tapered tip or end. Synonyms: sharp, acute, tapered. Sentence: the artist used a pointed brush for the fine details. Undergo, meaning to experience or be subjected to something, typically something unpleasant, painful, or arduous. Synonyms: endure, experience, face. Sentence: he had to undergo surgery to repair his knee. November, meaning the 11th month of the year in the Northern Hemisphere, usually considered the last month of autumn. Synonyms: 11th month of the calendar year. Sentence: the leaves are usually gone by November. Motive, meaning a reason for doing something, especially one that is hidden or not obvious. Synonyms: reason, incentive, drive. Sentence: the detective searched for a motive behind the crime. Stability, meaning the state of being stable, firmness in position. Synonyms: steadiness, security, balance. Sentence: financial stability is important for a comfortable life. Access, meaning the means or opportunity to approach or enter a place. Synonyms: entry, admission, ingress. Sentence: the only access to the island is by boat. Illustration, meaning a picture illustrating a book, newspaper, etc. Synonyms: drawing, picture, image. Sentence: the book's illustrations were done by a famous artist. Acre, meaning a unit of land area equal to 4,840 square yards. Synonyms: plot, parcel, hectare. Sentence: they bought a 5-acre plot to build their new home. And there you have it, 20 everyday words with their meanings, synonyms, and example sentences. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and educational content. See you in the next video where we'll explore even more amazing words in the English language.